Hello and welcome to my very first ever YouTube video. Comments below about how I can improve this, what I'm doing wrong, or any questions about my first ever video. Thank you. Let's begin. Hello, this is my brand new Hyundai EFI2500SEI generator ordered from Jenny Benny. Just for interest, as I couldn't find anything about it, it came in a package roughly 35 centimetres wide by 61 centimetres long by 52 centimetres high. Now I shall try and open it. These useless scissors. Yes, it's recording. Yeah, fine. Hello, this is my review of my new Hyundai EFI 2500W SEI generator. In the box I've got a set of manuals, if they can come out of the bag. I get the comprehensive manual, I get the supplementary manual, get a warranty card from Hyundai, a quick start guide, and for some reason a voucher. Also comes with a 13 to 16 amp plug top. Plug a boat into it. Got a starter kit, comes with a set of keys, a spark plug, 12-volt charging cable, oil drain, spark plug remover, screwdriver, Phillips and flat, a screwdriver holder, a spare battery clamp, and finally a 20 amp fuse for the engine start battery. Put that to one side. Keep those ones out. Right, unfortunately I haven't got a funnel to fill this, so I'm going to have to jiggle it with this spout, but that's it. Warning, note to self, doesn't work very well. note to self, after spilling petrol down the front of it, I've now got to wait about half an hour for the fuel to evaporate off before I even continue to try and attempt to start it, unless I risk blowing the thing up. Right, is that on there properly? Right, I realise I've missed a step. Something that is always recommended in all the YouTube channels I watch on the Hyundai generators is to put a bit of oil on the air filter. On this one, it must be under this cover. On there. And it would appear to be ringing in oil anyway. It's spill. Okay, back the right way round. So, air filter back in again. Cover box back on. Drop the cover back on again. This one doesn't have a bulb to pump with, as it's an electronic fuel injection system and doesn't need it. I've also been informed by the seller that this switch also is not actually used on the electronic fuel injection system, which is what this one is, unlike the HY2000 or 3000, which does do something. How's that look? Obviously it comes with the 12-volt battery charging cable, which will produce 8.3 amps. Got my circuit breaker, my oil light, and my two UK 230-volt 13-amp sockets with an earth terminal to ground to a earthing post. And now it's giving me my amps, power wattage, time running, and the amount of fuel left in the tank, the low oil warning light in the bottom corner. And I've still got manual pull on the side as well. For reference, it measures approximately 56 to 57 centimeters long by wide at the bottom to about 30 centimeters deep by a height of approximately 49 centimeters high. 49.50, which is very important as I'm intending to fit it into a narrowboat. As a side note, this model doesn't have an eco switch or a remote control, but it is 2500 watt peak, apparently. Right, that's about 20 minutes to half an hour, so let's see if it starts. Really quiet. Put a load on it. Running 2 amps at 458 watts. No hesitation. Would appear it must have an eco mode built into it, even though there's no switch. Now let's try the manual start. Ready? Buzzing for. Interesting. Works in the key. Let's try that manual again. Not the easiest thing to start on manual, however it's a lot easier than my last generator, which took about 30, 40, 50 pulls. Plus I can actually talk over it at the same time, which I couldn't do in my last one. Running at 58 decibels at 7 meters, but it's such a lower level note that it's not so bad. to turn the vacuum on. As you can tell, there's very little voltage fluctuation in the top. It starts very quickly, showing me my amps I'm drawing, the watts that are used, the hour meter, how long it's been used the generator, fuel remaining in the tank. This is my second recording. Now the generator's off just in case I can't hear it. It starts really easily on the key, although it's a bit more stubborn to start on the manual pull cord. It appears to have the eco mode always on built into it. It's 58 decibels at 7 meters, but it's such the note is so low that it's not screaming in your ear. Overall, really quite like the generator. It doesn't have the choke on it. It's electronic choke. So if I decide to go ahead and put on a key within my boat and have it remotely connected to it, I haven't got to worry about fitting a choke to it. Manual says it's also a possibility you can convert it over to LPG, but don't intend to. Thank you.